This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Vivian Lugo CDPE, MBA. Fabulous newer home in the beautiful newer gated community of Manatee Cove. This enhanced Mystique OPEN floor plan offers just over 2,200 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, QUARTZ kitchen island with plenty of 36 inches cabinetry, a 2-car extended garage, screened lanai, large open backyard with preserved views. Master bedroom has large walk-in closet, separate toilet closet, linen closet, dual sinks, separate tub and shower. Large laundry room with sink and plenty of storage. And 3 other bedrooms and 2 baths for family and guests. Manatee Cove is a small gated community offering a resort-style pool area with a fire pit for those occasional cool nights in winter. Manatee Cove is a short drive to downtown Naples and Marco Island. Less than 2 miles to everyday shopping, Publix, Walmart, Fresh Market, Lowe's, and more. Available July 1st, for annual unfurnished rental. For more information, review the details below.